अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मलबार स्टाइल मटन खुरमा। Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box, so see that you keep everything ready before you start the actual cooking। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। मैंने हाफ kg मटन लिया हुआ है, साथ में 1 large onion sliced, 2 large potatoes cut into pieces, 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds saunf और 1 teaspoon poppy seeds खसखस, साथ में नमक salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder, धनिया का powder, a few coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 piece of cinnamon, 4 each of cardamom and cloves, साथ में 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped, half cup yogurt beaten and a mix of 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3/4 tablespoon ginger and 4 green chillies crushed और oil। इतने सारे ingredients हमें चाहिए। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। Grind the coconut along with the khaskhas and the saunf to a fine paste। Now that the ground masala is ready, let's start the actual cooking। We'll cook in a pressure cooker। Keep a pressure cooker on the stove. Add a ladle of oil, that's around 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the garam masala, that is 1 large piece of cinnamon and 4 each of cardamom and cloves. Saute for a few seconds and then add the sliced onions. Saute till light brown. When the onions are nicely done, add the crushed green chilli ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes. When the ginger garlic green chilli paste is nicely sauteed, add the powdered masalas, that is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix well. Now add 2 tomatoes finely chopped and saute till the tomatoes become a little soft. Now add the mutton and saute well for at least 5 minutes. Saute on medium flame till the oil leaves the sides. Once the oil leaves the sides, let's add some potatoes. I have taken 2 large potatoes. Potatoes is completely optional. If you don't like, don't add. My family loves potatoes more than the meat, so I usually add them. So add the potatoes and mix well. Let the flame be on medium and now add half a cup of beaten curd and fry till the oil leaves the sides. Now add the ground mix of coconut, saunf and khaskhas. Add the mix well and then rinse out the mixie jar with half a glass of water. Add that to the gravy as well. Also add another half a glass of water. So total I have added 1 glass of water. Mix well, add half the coriander leaves, cover and pressure cook for 4 whistles depending on your mutton. After 4 whistles, let the pressure release on its own, open, and this is the look. It looks so yummy. Now, if you wish to reduce the gravy, you can reduce, but since we are having with bagara khana, I think this is more than enough. So chalo, Malabar style mutton khorma is ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the ingredients. Thank you for watching. Do check out my other videos as well. As for the mutton khorma, don't forget to garnish. मेरे वीडियोस में से डिशेस ज़रूर ट्राई करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं as to how it was.